Hey guys, welcome back to another day. Hope everybody is good. Okay, got Bitcoin at 111k. That's good. It's September 9th today. Market's looking good. One token here that I don't know if anyone's really watching BNB, but you guys should be. It's performing really well. It has like a really bullish chart. Like it's pretty much cleared its old all-time highs. One of the only projects that's really done that and is sustaining it right now, so keep an eye on it. It's always been a bullish project. So well, it's an asset, you gotta remember, guys, we're holding assets. Like whoever owns like the S&P 500 is probably not like shiny, but they're holding it and they're making money with it. So that's how BNB is to me. It's like it's more bullish than S&P 500, but over a time period, of course. But it's one to take a look at, guys. But what are we doing today? We're going to be looking at React Network. Man, I like React Network for two reasons. One is the fully diluted. That's really low. That means there's not any tokens coming out, right? Also, it's been, came out at 18 cents. It's at 9 cents. It came down here. I grabbed a few down here. I was really happy about that. Position grew pretty exponentially from this point. But I've been accumulating for a while. This project is really bullish. Let me just take you guys to the website to show you guys. So Reactive Network, the blockchain coordination standard. Transactions are multiplying exponentially. Data fragmentation is accelerating. So smart contracts must evolve. They must react. So what, in my opinion, what is React is React Network is a EVM, right? It's an EVM. I'm gonna show you guys that. That has a few dApps on it. Basically what they help projects do is like they created something called a reactive smart contract on their EVM. And for anyone who doesn't know, EVM is a Ethereum virtual machine, which is basically like Avalanche, BNB chain, Base, different types of EVMs, of course. BNB being an L1, Base being an L2, but all running on the same EVM. Anything that a Ravi wallet and a MetaMask can connect to is basically an EVM. Just to clear that up. Reactive Network has a EVM layer. They have they're not really trying to be built on top of. It's more like they extend out to other chains. Reactive Network is a coordination layer built for scale. It lifts multi-chain events and computation into a unified contract layer where reactive smart contracts operate as dynamic autonomous engines. They track every chain in real time. This is probably the most important part. Reactive Network, and when you stake in Reactive Network, you become part of this like validator network kind of thing that's watching every chain. So it's kind of like an oracle, but it's like decentralized. Because, like I said, staker, it's proof of stake. So it basically is an EVM that's kind of tracking all the movement on other EVMs, and then they're able to make the EVMs kind of talk to each other because they have the data from every EVM and they can update the state through these reactive smart contracts on each EVM, and then like do different things with that technology. They settle outcomes seamlessly across any chain. Right, that's what I just said. So I hope that made sense. Definitely check this out. It's really bullish. These are the chains they're on now: Ethereum, BNB chain, Avalanche. So they have more coming. They're actually going to be on like non-EVM chains too, like Sui, Solana. So they got a lot going on. I didn't go over this stuff and just keep showing you guys, but just check out the site, reactive.network. This is their Twitter page. Still pretty under, but I would say like a lot of people following them. So people are aware of what's going on. The one thing I would say about Reactive is that with all the technology they have, you're not really seeing like a dApp that somebody can just go to and use that's leveraging the reactive smart contracts and like doing like this next level DeFi, right? Which is something I really want to see soon, but I guess they're in the building phase now, so we gotta let them build. As you can see, the token was from March, so gotta give them time to do their thing. Now, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be adding liquidity to the Reactive Network on ETH. So I'm gonna go to the blog because they have an incentive. We're looking at this Reactive Network liquidity incentive spring. Definitely come check this out, guys. This gives you a breakdown of what we're going to be doing today. I'm not going to read this, but I'm just giving you guys all the details. First thing I need to do, right? Oh, let me just show you guys. So you're going to be adding liquidity to this pool over here. Reactive Network is launching phase 2. Program runs for 3 months. Distributed to liquidity providers. They have this much Reactive Million React distributed to liquidity providers every 8 hours. So that's pretty cool. So they're going to be basically... So what is Merkl? Since we're talking about it, this is Merkl. Merkl, as you can see, going to be providing like liquidity to React and USDT. But Merkl is like this product that allows projects to create their own incentive, liquidity incentive sprints or like projects to roll out to their community. So this is something that React launched. We're gonna participate in it, and it's gonna be what, basically I'm showing you guys how to buy it. So let's start there. This is a link that you find on the blog. You scroll down, it's here. Add liquidity. I would say definitely look how to join. Look at this because it brings you right to all the information. So you don't have to worry about getting scammed. This is all legit info right here. Okay, so this is the React contract. This is the token. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this, go to Uniswap, have some ETH in this wallet. So I'm gonna buy React. This is Wrap React because React, the real React is on the React network, which I explained before, its own chain. But right now we're on the ETH network buying Wrap React. Okay, and now I tried to buy the React directly with ETH, and I realized that I had to go buy USDC. So, or, I had to use my ETH to buy USDC, and then with that ETH, I would have to buy Tether. So, I don't know if you guys, I don't know, how deep you guys are in, but we're on ETH chain right now. You send ETH here from any exchange, or you could send USDC from your ETH to your ETH wallet. To the ETH wallet that I'm connected to through Rabby, just to give you guys a breakdown on where we are. Now, I have the Tether. What I'm gonna try to do now is buy some React. So I think I still have this copied. No, I'm gonna go back here, get this link, and then copy it here. And see if I can buy the Wrap React. Now, I haven't tried yet. Okay, I'm gonna put half to React. That's usually when you do a liquidity pool, you're doing half. Okay, getting good signs so far. Now I'm just approving the Tether. Now I'm gonna do the swap. So I'm buying $63 worth of React. Everything looks good. Looks like I'm not gonna fail. So yeah, if you have ETH in your wallet, you're probably not gonna be able to buy the React. If you have USDC in your wallet, you may not be able to buy React. So like I just went through it, you're gonna have to get you're gonna have to get Tether, which you can buy on any exchange, and you're gonna trade that for React. So now I have some React, now I have Tether, so I can add liquidity. I'm gonna go back to this page, which is the liquidity pool, and then I'm gonna click add liquidity. Now my wallet's connected. It's gonna ask me how much. I'm gonna do all of it. Let me just, yeah, I'm just gonna do all of it because I don't really need either one in my wallet. Only thing you really need in your wallet at all times is ETH. So I'm gonna review this. Some good UX, not gonna lie. Adding liquidity has come a long way through these platforms. This is pretty simple. So I'm approving again. I just approved the React. Now after this goes through, I'm gonna have to approve the tether. And okay, now I'm approving the tether. See how this goes. It's gonna take a few seconds. Y'all remember you're on the EVM, so it's not like lightning speed, but doesn't matter. And now we're gonna basically take that React, take that tether, and add and make the LP. This is a Uniswap V2 LP. Boom. Like I said, pretty seamless. Now that I have that LP in my wallet, right? Everything good. Create a position. Then I'm gonna go to Merkl. And I'm gonna connect my wallet to Merkl. Okay, and you can see here, it's showing me my position. Everything's good. So actually, upon doing some research, I realized that I don't even have to do anything. So basically, when I'm on Merkl, right here, all I have to do is connect my wallet, which I just did. Yeah, so as you can see, the position is loaded here. It's showing me my APR, it's showing me my position size. Cool. So now this is like the base position. But what's going on with Merkl is gonna be incentivizing me to because I provided this liquidity through React tokens, right? If you guys remember the blog, it said that it's gonna be distributing 1 million React every 8 hours through Merkl. So you don't have to do anything actually. After you supplied, you just connect your wallet, and then when you go to the dashboard, it's gonna update every 8 hours. So right now it's not showing any rewards because I have to wait for it to be updated. But I'm gonna check back in 8 hours and I should have some rewards there. So that's all. That's pretty much it. That's pretty cool too. Hope everybody grasped what just went on there. Just to run it back, we're talking about the React token, of course. Bullish token. Let me go in on 3 months from around the bottom. We've been doing well since the bottom in June. So we took this and we're participating in their liquidity incentive program through the Merkl platform, where we created a liquidity position. We React in USDT that we bought here on Uniswap. We bought these tokens. We created the position here, created the position, and then we chill. And we're gonna be getting React rewards now just for creating a position. So that's pretty cool, guys. I hope it makes sense to you guys what's going on. This is a good project, like I said. Let me check out their Twitter again for you guys. Let me see, they have this program going on here. They're trying to get people to build on the platform. Bunch of different projects, partners involved. And these guys are the real deal. I gave you guys a brief breakdown of what it is. I don't want to go back into it. There's also this React staking that's going on. If anyone that's still here, let's I'm just gonna like introduce you guys to it. I'm not gonna like go through the whole process of staking, but you know, basically this is their staking platform. Showing my balance is 0 because I don't have any React, but I would be able to stake my React into these pools. So this is another way to earn APR on your React if you don't want to create an LP. So keep that, guys, in mind. I'm going to make a separate video about this because I wanted to drag, or I'll go deeper into React. So stay tuned for that one. And thank you guys for watching, man. Appreciate it. And we'll be back.